I cannot believe I'm saying this, but hi, I'm Priyal, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't know, 2 days back I just thought of vlogging and recording stuff and posting on YouTube specifically. I have been active on Instagram for a while now. I just post reels here and there about yoga and stuff, which is my career. But something was not sitting well and it was not cutting it for me because I felt like Instagram पे बहुत प्रेशर फील हो रहा था मुझे कि मुझे 1.5 ही मिनट में मेरी सारी कहानी सुनानी है और उसके बाद उसकी एडिटिंग भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. इट शुड हैव लाइक क्लिक एंड पॉप साउंड्स, एकदम स्पिक एंड स्पैन एंड पिक्चर्स एंड उसमें सीटीए भी हो, उसमें हुक भी हो, कुछ रेपिटेटिव भी ना लगे. ना, मुझे लाइक दैट्स नॉट मी, यू नो. That's not human. It's not humanly possible. Like what I see or what I portray on Instagram is so edited, and I feel like I was running away from the messy, unruly true self, you know. So I just wanted to start a channel where I can come and I can sit and yap. And right now, or at least for the next couple of months, till people start viewing and subscribers, blah, 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 I don't want to think about all of those things. I just want to come and I want to let my heart out and say whatever the fuck is going on in my head. And that's it. And I feel like in the process, I really want to get comfortable with being myself and not fearing judgment. I feel like I have feared judgment for a very big part of my life, and I still do, like till today. And I will continue to do it, but I want it to fade away. And I want to be so true and rooted in myself कि मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ेगी मेरे घर वाले क्या बोल रहे हैं, मेरी family क्या बोल रही है, etc. etc. And I will talk about everything here. I will talk about my relationships. I will talk about my experiences and my everything. And I don't want to see any part of myself as too much. And I also want to realize that I'm flawed like everybody else. ये कैसा introduction shoot कर रही हूँ मैं? Okay, a little about me, coming to the more interesting part of the video. I live in Delhi and I live with my family, which is mom, dad, my older sister, my younger brother, my dog Veer, and my grandmom. क्या पढ़ा आपने?
LIIT.
क्या मतलब होता है? अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया? NIT क्या होता है?
Light.
अच्छा, ये क्या होता है? ये क्या होता है?
Beer.
हाँ, बियर क्या होता है?
और शराब.
And I've been living with family for almost my entire life, except for the 2.5 years when I was in Pune for college. And उसमें भी मैं बहुत frequently घर आ जाती थी क्योंकि मैं homesick होती थी और मुझे याद आने लग जाती थी. And also I was going through a very, very horrible phase of anxiety. So I would just swim for as long as I can, and then would just want to be taken out of the pool, and I would come back home and chill for some time. Right now, I teach yoga, and I really love that. And I find a lot of peace in movement. I find a lot of comfort in movement. It's something that also energizes me in some way. And apart from that, my hobbies and stuff, like earlier my hobby used to be yoga, and like I used to learn calisthenics sometimes here and there, and like some bit of movement, some sort of like physical activity used to be my hobby. But college के बाद मेरा career ही वो हो गया, तो अभी मेरी hobby क्या है मुझे इतना नहीं पता. But I do find myself doing something new every once in a while. Like sometimes I'll go for a run. Sometimes I had a phase of making puzzles, so I was making like 1,000 piece puzzles. Apart from that, I just like chilling. I like listening to music. I like talking to my sister a lot. We share the room. In this phase of my life, I feel like I do want to start exploring newer things, even with respect to movement. Like, I want to go for treks with strangers, not alone. It's too much for now. Probably like with people who I don't know, go on a trek organized by a group. I want to do something like that. I want to start singing. I want to learn an instrument. So let's see how that goes. Probably I want to give run clubs a shot. जब से मैं पुणे से दिल्ली आई वापस, मुझे I'd been feeling a very strong lack in community. And by community, I mean, yeah, of course, I have family and all of that, but a lack of people who can truly get me, career wise, emotionally, all of that. Because most of my work is from home and stuff. And also because I'm scared, I haven't really put myself out there to find deeper connections. Um, एंड इवन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू लाइक योगा एंड टीचिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसी कोई कम्युनिटी नहीं है जिसका मैं पार्ट हूँ, या मेरे को नहीं पता ऐसी कोई कम्युनिटी है भी या नहीं जिसके जिसके अंदर मतलब बस टीचर्स है जो अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर कर रहे हैं, सो दैट यू डोंट फील लाइक यू डूइंग समथिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लू और यू मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक, blah blah blah. Like for example, imagine you're starting a new business and you don't have any contact with people who are starting new businesses, like none of them are your friends, and you're just doing this by yourself, and तुम हर रोज सोचते हो कि यार मैं कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रही, मुझे कैसे पता मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ या सही कर रही हूँ, मेरे पास तो कोई रेफरेंस पॉइंट्स नहीं है, कोई एग्जांपल्स नहीं है, कोई ठीक है एग्जांपल्स रेफरेंस पॉइंट्स है, बट ऐसा कोई नहीं है ना जिसको मैं अपनी एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर कर रही हूँ और वो बोल रहा है यू नो व्हाट, आई आल्सो फेल्ट दिस वे एंड आई आल्सो फेल्ट लाइक दैट एंड दिस इज वेयर आई एम एट, I can tell you, it'll be okay. So stuff like that have been really, really lacking in my life. And I'm also going through a very difficult transition in my life right now, aka a breakup. That's something I'm going to talk about in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned and let's see where this goes. I don't know ये कब तक चलेगा, कब तक मेरे सर पे भूत सवार होगा कि मैं YouTube पे वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करूँ, बट जब तक होगा तब तक होगा, जब तक मन करेगा तब तक कर लूंगी, उसके बाद देखते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड सी यू अराउंड. भाई मैंने अपने आप को रिकॉर्ड करा एंड आई वाज वाचिंग द वीडियोस अगेन एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक, एक तो भाई आईफोन के कैमरा में मैं देखूँ कहाँ, मैं अपनी शक्ल देखूँ तो अलग दिखता है, मैं उधर देखूँ तो फिर ऐसे हो जाता है, आई डोंट नो, स्टिल फिगरिंग इट आउट. I was watching my videos and I was like, oh my god, my hair is looking so frizzy and मेरे चश्मे पे reflection आ रहा है and my eyes are looking a certain way and I'm very insecure about my eyes and because I have really high power. And I'm just feeling so bad and I'm trying to tell myself कि वापस record नहीं करेंगे हम. This is the entire point of us doing this, that we do it in one go and we just post it, like fuck it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do it. मैं एक मीटिंग पे गई थी बाहर, like I had a work meeting, I had this person who I had to meet, she's starting a wellness center, all la. So I had just worn whatever I'm wearing and all of that and I went and I had done my hair but मेरे बाल बारिश में भीग गए and उसके बाद वो ऐसे दिखने लग गए and then I was like, you know what, मुझे नहीं ready होना कैमरा के आगे. Nobody wakes up like this and nobody is like this after getting wet in the rain, so it's okay. That's what I'm gonna try and tell myself.